Out here in Santa Monica Beach. About to go to the pier in a little bit, have a drink, have a smoke, maybe find a strip club or something. But I wanted to talk real quick. I want to do a very short video about Instagram taking away the likes and how it would affect us producers and beat makers. Now, let me use a short analogy. When you build a home, you make the rules. When you own your own apartment or your house, it doesn't matter how big that apartment is, it doesn't matter how small the apartment is. It's your house. And people that come in, the guests that come in, have to abide by your rules. This is the same thing that's going on with Instagram. You're a guest. It's their house. They make the rules. Same thing with YouTube. Same thing with all these platforms. You're a guest. It's theirs. They could change the rules. How are you going to get mad? It's their house. This goes back into like the last video I made when I said own your own platform. Own your own platform, and that way you control the rules. You don't miss out on your business. Your money doesn't go low. With Instagram taking the likes away, this is going to take away all the influencers' powers. There's people that literally use Instagram just to make their money. It's their only source of income. And now look, what companies is going to pay you if they can't even look at the views because they're gone? What companies are going to pay you if they can't even track your likes because it's gone? So now the age of the influencer is going down. You use somebody's platform and you use it as your only way to make money. But guess what? It wasn't your platform. So when they change the rules, you go down. Your lifestyle goes down. Your money goes down. So how do you fix this? You need to own your own platform. And us producers, we have to own our own websites, because most producers, they sell their beats on BeatStars. But what a BeatStar says, hey, you know what? We want to take more money. We want more money. What if they say, hey, we're gonna start ranking you down, or hey, now you have to do this, or now you have to do that. Don't depend on other people's platforms that you don't own. I didn't say don't be on it, but don't depend on it. Learn how to build your own home so you make all the rules. Build your own platform. Get your own website. That way, anything, YouTube could do anything. Instagram could do anything. You got your email list. You got your platform. You make the rules. So Instagram's taking the likes and views away. You think I give a fuck? Hell nah. I got my followers. I got my email list of over 100,000 people and growing. I run my business the right way, where I don't depend on another man's platform. So for you producers and beat makers, and I did a video on this last time, own your own platform, build your own platform. I already said it. Go on Fiverr.com and have somebody build your platform, collect people's email addresses and build that, so that way when somebody ends up changing the rules on you, it won't even affect you. You'll still be floating high where everybody else is scrambling.